Well, how y'all are this afternoon? This is your buddy George Jones over here at the Bergen Gun Range with our next installment on, hey, let's shoot a new gun. And the new gun today is the Rossi Brawler. Now the Brawler is a 45 long Colt single shot pistol with a, let's see how long old barrel is, 9-inch barrel. It's equipped with, comes factory with a Picatinny rail on it, and it's got sights, and the sights are incorporated into the Picatinny. Right there. And it shoots pretty good. It shoots long Colts and 410s. Now, we've established that I had 6 rounds of 45 long Colt in my bag, and when we got over here, we decided to test fire it, and it shoots really good with 45 long Colts. We were hitting a steel silhouette every time at 25 yards with 45 long Colts out of this gun. But unlike the Rexio and some of the other guns that you see out there that are kind of like this, you know, the Comanche, Super Comanche, this gun is fully rifled. Now the Super Comanche only has rifling up from right here out, okay? And it's smooth bore all the way down. So I think what they're trying to do here is they're trying to mimic the handgun or the auto shot type 410 handgun from the 1930s. So we're going to shoot it with shotgun ammunition and see how it actually shoots as a fully rifled gun. Okay, I've got a target up down there at 10 yards, and we're going to try birdshot and a couple of different styles of buckshot out of it and see how it runs. So let's get started. Let's start with Noble Sport 3-inch Magnum, number 6, 11/16 ounces shot, number 6 bird shot. Let's try this. I'm going to shoot this at the top target pasty and see how it does. Get me some ear mufflers on here. Back here. Cock that hammer back and zero it up pretty good at the top target. All right. Well, that was birdshot, yeah, number 6. Let's see how it ejects. It's supposed to have automatic ejector, and it has automatic ejector. All right, let's go down and check our target, see what our pattern looks like with number 6 birdshot at 30 feet. It has a fairly large pattern. Got one dead in the middle right there, and there's one, there's one, there's one, and there's one.
And we got a couple down.
They got a couple down there too.
Pretty wide.
So I'm not real sure. I'm saying you might be able to kill a rabbit with that. Okay? But if we were a little closer, it might be okay. You might be able to kill it. How many pellets a number 6 shot does it take? Well, to tell you the truth, shooting a rabbit 5 times with number 6 bird shot is the equivalent of shooting a human being 5 times with a 22. So you might be able to get him, you might not. Okay, for our next experiment, we're going to give this stuff a try. This is 12 pellet BBB buck. 12 pellet BBB buck. BB shot is 17 caliber. BBB is about 20 caliber. It's this stuff right here. So there's 4 stacks of 3 in there, so it's 12 pellet, and it's about 20 caliber. Let's give that a try. Ooh, let's put on some mufflers here. Get some ear mufflers on. At the middle target. Did we hit it? Did we hit the target at all? This is how I get my cardio going up and down this gun range. Walking up and down this gun range.
Okay, well there's a larger one.
There's a larger one.
I think you got one extra one in there, larger.
Yeah.
One. And I could swear I heard one hitting the woods over there. I don't think I did, but I could swear I did for a second.
Shot all of our long Colt ammunition up before we started this test. But I'll get some more long Colts. We'll come back and do a test on accuracy with long Colt. Okay, what do we got next? Here is 410, 4 pellets, 40 caliber round ball. So there's this shell has 4 pellets of 40 caliber round ball in it. This is from Noble Sport. It says 4 buck, but 4 buck is 27 caliber according to the chart. This says 4 times 0.400 on it. Okay, 4 times 0.400. That's 40 caliber. And that ball in the end of there is a whole heck of a lot bigger than a number 4 buck. Okay. So we're going to try it at the bottom target and see how it shoots. The problem with this is it's fully rifled. So you're throwing a shot column downrange like this. So when it hits the end of the barrel and is loose, it goes pretty quick. Let's see how this one works. 4 pellets, 40 caliber. Ooh, that's got some kick to it, buddy. 3-inch mag, see if it kicks it out. Yep, kicks it out. That's a great advantage to you, because if you need that second shot, kicking that empty hull out's important. Yeah. Nothing there, but there's all 4 of them. You know, at 30 feet, if this was your point of aim, they'd all be in that guy's chest. Okay? So, what have we learned? Well, we learned that shooting shot projectile out of a rifle barrel gun is not very effective. So, if you're going to shoot a solid shot out of one, you know, with the capability of shooting, you know, buckshot, 4 pellet, 5 pellet, 6 pellet buckshot out of a 410, you know, you're better off shooting a slug. Well, here's the thing. A 410 slug, you know, out of a rifle barrel 410 capable pistol, you're better off just shooting 45 long Colt. You know. And off camera, we demonstrated to ourselves a few minutes ago that this thing shoots 45 long Colt ammunition pretty good. We were sitting at 25 yards of hitting the steel silhouette target every time with it. What's this little devil here? This is 3 pellets, triple-aught buck. Triple-aught buck is about 40 caliber. So we'll try the bottom target again with 3 pellet triple-aught buck. See what kind of a defensive usage it's got. All right, here we go. Ooh! That's some result. The old Winchester gave us some result. Let's go look at it. Ooh. 30 feet.
So we got one off here.
Yeah.
And these two right in it.
Yeah, that'll work nicely. I think this is a wad, this is a buck, this is a buck, and this is a buck. I think that's how that is. Because there's our other 3 off to one side. You know.
4.
4.
4, but it is not a shotgun.
It's not a shotgun. It's not a shotgun. All right, in for a penny, in for a pound. We've got some Golden Bear, no longer imported. 410, 5 pellet, number 4 buck. It's a brass electroplated steel case. This is actually pretty good. I shot a groundhog with this last year from a conventional 410 shotgun with pretty
incoming.
Do not have that thing pointed at your face when you open it up, because it's got a good hard ejector, buddy. It throws that thing out there good. Whoa. Like it means it. Like it means it. I think you'll probably have a better chance of defending yourself ejecting the spent buckshot cartridge than you would shooting at him with it. Okay, we've established there's 2 holes in that target. We're going to try and put some more in it. Nothing. Nothing. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, there it went.
Got more here.
They got more there. It shoots a little bit to the left.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if that was a humanoid silhouette, it would have some pretty serious wounds in it. But, you know, it's rotating out of there, and you know, it's pinpoint accuracy. It's not pinpoint accuracy. It's not. There's a live 30 caliber carbine round laying there. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
What's that? A live 9mm. Okay. Well, what have we learned? Well, a fully rifled 45 long Colt pistol with the capability to fire a shotgun shell is not very shotgun shelly. It works pretty good as a 410 single shot pistol. It has good attributes. It has a nicely well installed 4-bolt Picatinny on top of it. It has pretty fair sights if you want to go that way. It's got a good place to put you some kind of an optic or glass on it. I theorized that it would make an excellent close range varmint gun for the farm, car, boat, airplane, something like that. 45 long Colt, 250 grain, flat point. You could probably run a bear off your place pretty easy with it. It ejects nicely, so you can easily get a second one in it. The grip is very ergonomic. It has this, limb saver style recoil surface back here on the grip. The grips are very nicely textured and a stiff, not an overly pliable, but it is recoil absorbent. It has a positive safety setup on it, It's pretty good single shot 45 long Colt pistol. Okay, if you want a single shot 45 long Colt varmint gun to have around, it's a pretty good deal. About 2.5 fingers on the finger scale. Overall, this is not my gun. This is Ed's gun. He had to have one, just try one out, so we brought it to the channel to show. As a shotgun, it's not much. As a single shot pistol, it's all right. It's okay. Well, that's about the size of it. Like, take, share, buy, commentate, and subscribe. Leave me a little $1 in the Patreon bucket if you want to, and if you don't, I'll keep right on making content for you. God bless America, and God bless each and every one of us. Join the NRA. They'll take them to court. They've got them in court in New York State right now over advertising. With the ACLU and the NRA on the same legal team. Ain't that something? Love your neighbor. Be kind to everyone you meet, but have a plan. We'll see y'all when we see you. Bye now.